In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add or edit HTML elements using the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Whether you're enhancing your website's interactivity or incorporating custom features, embedding HTML can open a world of possibilities for personalizing your site. So, let's dive right in and get started. Begin by opening your Google Chrome browser and navigate to Wix. Ensure you're logged into your account and then access the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Depending on your design needs and level of experience, you might choose one over the other, but both platforms allow for a seamless experience when embedding HTML. Once you're in, head over to the specific page where you want to introduce or modify an HTML element. This could be any section of your website where you think custom HTML will enhance the user experience or convey more precise information. Now, with your desired page open, look for the Add button on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking Add will present you with a variety of options. Go ahead and explore these, but for now, focus on the one labeled Embed. This option is your gateway to incorporating all sorts of custom elements into your design. From there, select either Embed a widget or Custom Embeds. Both choices will ultimately lead you to the same destination, allowing for personalized HTML additions. Once you've selected your preferred method, a new panel will appear, titled Embed HTML. This is where you can input your custom HTML code, copy the HTML code that you have prepared, and paste it into the provided text box. It's a good idea to double-check your code at this stage to ensure there aren't any errors that could disrupt the display or functionality on your site. The next step involves adjusting the size and position of your newly embedded element. This is an important step as it ensures that the HTML complements your overall page design. Wix allows you to drag and resize the element until it fits perfectly within the context, maintaining aesthetic and functional harmony with the rest of your website. An intuitive interface should make this part straightforward, offering visual guidance as you make changes. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save and publish your hard work. Hit the Save button to ensure your edits are stored